This is my first time testing a smoke alarm, and we'll go ahead and review it. This is a Kidde model P3010CU, and yes, it is a 10-year sealed lithium battery photoelectric smoke or CO alarm. Yes, it also has lights. It makes a sound that actually has the heat detector. So, if this smoke alarm that's gonna come, it'll detect a smoke when there is any fire. So it will activate a smoke alarm. So let's just go ahead and test it. So to test it out, all you gotta do is press to activate the test of the smoke alarm. Okay guys, this is gonna be very loud, so turn the volume down. So let's go ahead and start demonstrating. Here we go.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
So to press to hush the fire alarm, it stops. Alright guys, that's all for the smoke alarm test. That's the end of the video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to never miss the video. And I'll see you guys next time.